Good morning. This is January 8th, 2014, and looking to the east. Completely different day from yesterday, as you can see from the cloud cover. I don't have the same look of sun already risen behind me or around me. We're expecting some weather, so the west is completely covered in clouds, and I'll take a picture or two and add that into this. Today I did not want to get up. Was really wanting to stay in bed. Sort of woke up grumpy. Woke up on the wrong side of the bed. So I walked, which I often do, but it's a little bit colder today, and the walk is really helping to reconnect me to myself, to the earth, to a better attitude, and just wanting to mention how connecting with nature has a profound effect on our own attitude, our own energy. When our energy is in a more subdued or in a place that is not really where we want it to be, if we connect with nature, it can shift all of that. So I guess today my theme is nature and the power of the energy of nature. Have a really wonderful day, and if it's possible for you today, take some time to get out into nature. Spend some time, even if it's just sitting against a tree and absorbing the energy of the tree. Thanks for being here with me. There's a pan from the southwest to the west. I have trees that'll get in my way, but as you can see, it's pretty socked in to the west over the Rockies, and that's weather that's coming our way today. It's supposed to be here around lunchtime, I guess. So we'll see what kind of sunrise we get tomorrow morning. Thanks again for being with me.